How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to utilize Leonardo AI to create an OnlyFans AI influencer. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the reason that you guys might want to do this in the first place is because, and I'll let you in on a little secret, is that a lot of people make um, big money by doing this. And it's no secret that wherever you are in the world, sex sells. And it goes without saying that OnlyFans is one of the main ways to actually make money in that aspect or industry. And one of the ways to do so is using Leonardo AI. Now, obviously, there are more complex AI tools out there like Stable Diffusion, but this one is the easiest. And not to mention, this one actually has a free trial that doesn't require you to enter any of your credentials or credit card details when you sign up for an account. So that's pretty cool. Now, so in this video, I'll be walking you guys through the proper steps that you need to take to actually use this tool to create an OnlyFans AI influencer and start making money. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. So first things first, let's talk about Leonardo AI. So what this tool specializes in is creating lifelike images and videos. So its applications extend beyond traditional graphic design and have even paved the way on, or rather, have even paved the way for creation of AI influencers. And OnlyFans is no exception. Now let's dive into the setting of Leonardo AI. So before you guys are actually able to get started, first thing you need to do is, like I said, you want to sign up for an account, and it's a pretty straightforward process. Just basically follow the on-screen instructions when you sign up for an account, enter your name, email address, and whatnot, and you should be good to go. Simply click on launch the app. Now, once you guys are logged in, you want to get a feel for the user interface first, so you can explore the UI and get familiar with the various features that Leonardo AI offers. And once you're set up, it's time to brainstorm your AI influencer's persona. So, what you want to do is once you've signed up for an account, downloaded the app, you basically just want to open it, and now comes the brainstorming part. So you want to consider the niche, personality traits, and style that you want for your influencer to embody. So this is crucial for creating content that resonates with your target audience. So and because our target audience is I don't want to call them perverts, but let's be real, that is what it is. You want to cater to that market or that niche. And to show you guys what I mean, here are a couple of fine-tuned examples of models that fit I guess mm, the niche or what exactly people are looking for. So this one, okay, what is this? A motorcycle? It's very cyberpunk-esque, so that appeals to people who are into sci-fi. This one is the same. What is that? A Dodge Challenger, and behind is a futuristic city. So that's cool. A utopia. This one is, I think this one's like based on Spider-Man and like a Kensei or like a samurai. So that one's awesome. So it's Dora. This one is anime-esque mixed with, what is it called? Akira or something? Anyway, okay, this one obviously is Mercy from Overwatch. So yeah, you can do this too. Now, with Leonardo AI, it's not only limited to these cartoonish graphics. As you can see, there are some hyper-realistic ones, like this lady right here. So you can do the same. Oh, this one too. And yeah, you can 100% perform the same and get videos going or maybe pictures of a hot girl and get uh, basically cash that money in. So with all that said, now comes the exciting part, and that is creating your AI influencer. So Leonardo AI makes this process surprisingly straightforward. So all you guys have to do is once you have the app open, you just want to basically upload a base image or choose from their extensive library or stock photos. So because it's AI, it also comes with its own library or database where you get to choose and fine tune your model from. So once you've made your pics or you've uploaded a picture of your soon to be model. Oh, and by the way, a good rule of thumb is to have the model looking straight or directly at the camera. So this way, the tool is actually able to generate different angles for the picture. So yeah. Now with that said, moving on. Next, you want to customize the AI's appearance. So this is where you actually fine tune their facial features or their hairstyle, clothing, facial expressions, and all this to match your design persona. And once that's done, you're ready to get with content creation. Now, with your AI influencer ready, it's time to create compelling content. So, Leonardo AI allows you to generate lifelike images and videos by making it easy to produce engaging posts for social media platforms, and in this case, OnlyFans. So, experiment with different scenarios, backdrops, and expressions to keep your audience captivated. Now, because we're doing OnlyFans, obviously, you can have them um, do a sexy pose or have them in bikini or whatnot, and people would still eat it up. And that is not a lie. That is 100% facts. And the cool thing about Leonardo AI is that it also comes with user generated poses or what do you call it? Like library sets for poses and basically like scripts to tell the AI what to do, like to do this pose or whatnot. So you can choose from there and get going with creating your photos and videos. So it's important to remember that consistency is key with the world of influencers. So you want to develop a content calendar and schedule regular posts to keep your audience engaged. And by building a connection with your audience, which is crucial, by the way, for any influencer, you're creating a fan base for your fictional or AI influencer. And this ensures that there are return fans that come back, keep looking at your photos or downloading your photos, and will in exchange for money. And another cool thing is that Leonardo AI, you can use Leonardo AI to script responses for your AI influencer, ensuring that the interactions feel authentic and aligned with its persona. So you can actually add a voice and tell your you can tell your influencer, your fictional character, to what to say or what to do. Now, another thing that you guys can do to maintain your demographic or fan base is to keep engaging with your audience. So you can do so by replying to their comments, direct messages, and even do live Q&A sessions. And this interaction will not only boost your AI influencer's popularity, but will also create a sense of community. So yeah, those are a couple of the tips to creating. Those are a couple of the paramount guidelines that you guys need to keep in mind when creating an OnlyFans AI influencer. And you guys would be surprised that people actually make a lot of money with this. So hopefully this video helped you guys out uh, towards that journey. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.